Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today let's see how to make sandesh. This is a Bengali sweet recipe. If you like today's recipe, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Heat a kadai on medium flame. To that, add 1 liter full fat milk. Stir occasionally and bring it to boil. This has started to boil. Turn off the gas flame and add 2 tablespoons lemon juice or vinegar so that the milk will curdle. Mix this very well. Add lemon juice till the milk starts to curdle. Next, keep strainer to a bowl and cover it with a clean kitchen towel. Pour curdled milk and strain it. This solid mass is called chena. Rinse chena well with cold water so that the lemon flavor will get washed out. Hold cloth from all the sides and squeeze. Now let it rest for about half an hour so that it drain out most of the water. This water has lots of nutrients in it, so you can use this water to make smoothies, dal or chapati dough. Now let's place this chena to a bowl. Mash this using your palm till it turns soft. It will take about 7 minutes. To check the perfect consistency, take little quantity of chena and make ball out of it. Ball should not have any crack. This is perfect. Next, add half cup of powdered sugar into this and combine well. After that, heat pan on very low flame and place this in the pan. Stir continuously and cook for about 5 minutes. Add half teaspoon powdered cardamom and mix well. After 5 minutes, turn off the gas flame and allow this mixture to cool down completely. This has cooled down. Apply ghee on your palm. Take small amount of mixture in your palm and start making ball out of it. Like this. Now press this lightly in the middle using your thumb. Repeat the same process and make sandesh. To garnish this, place pistachio or almond in the center and press lightly. So, sandesh is ready to serve. You can make 9 sandesh using 1 liter milk. Thank you for watching Cooking.